If you're planning on holding CLRB overnight, you are in danger. What's up, trend friends? Welcome back to your No BS non-biased price prediction video. Today, guys, we did take multiple trades on CLRB and they were all profitable. However, I'm here to tell you that this is a ticker which you do not want to get stuck in. So let's get into exactly why I say so. Now, today's video is going to have three main segments: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be discussing the catalyst that's causing the stock to move. The what, we're going to be doing a stock analysis. The where, I'm going to be telling you guys where to get in, where to get out. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now, when it comes to the why, guys, this is a company which went absolutely crazy today, guys, after they did announce. Let's go ahead and let's take a look real quick. Let's just read the headline. I think it's a lot easier for us. So they were granted FDA breakthrough therapy designation for their lopofusine, their medication, pretty much. Okay, I don't know. I'm not a scientist. I'm a trader, guys. All right. Again, massive news. Hence, why the ticker went absolutely parabolic, guys, running from 29 cents all the way upwards of the 70-cent levels. Unfortunately, though, it did not manage to be able to hold these levels, and it did flush down, and the sticker is sitting right now at approximately 46 cents. Now, we're going to be talking about the technicals, but let's go ahead and actually rank its catalyst right away. So the catalyst, the breaking news was actually amazing, right? This is the type of news that does have shock factor, that does actually help the bottom line of the company, and it does have intrinsic value, okay? So amazing. Now, another reason why the ticker is so freaking volatile is because it only has a market cap of 21 million. Now, any stock that has a market cap sub 50 mil is going to be extremely volatile. Now, I know a lot of people want to talk about, the shares float, oh my god, the float, everything like that, right? And I think that so many people prioritize float over the stock's actual market cap. And I'll tell you why I like to use a combination of both. Okay, I'll tell you guys why I use both, and you can go ahead and decide which one to use, right? So the reality is that when it comes to anticipating volatility, the float can be a little bit misleading, because a company, let's say, okay, so let's do this, let's give this example, right? We have two companies. One of them, their shares costs $5, and the company has 100 float shares. Okay, there's 100 shares at $5 a piece. So the total value of the company is $500. Then on the other hand, we have a company that has a float of 10 shares. Okay? However, those shares cost $500. So now we have a company that has a smaller float but with more expensive shares, and the company's total valuation is sitting at $5,000 versus a company which does have a bigger float but their shares are cheaper. Which one's going to be more volatile? This one, right? This one, even though the shares float is actually larger than the other one. Okay, so this is why it's so important to actually take a look at both numbers and not just go ahead and say, okay, float is small, good. No, because float by itself can be extremely misleading. Okay, now with that said, so CLRB does have both a small float and also a small market cap, making it extremely volatile. So we're gonna put this volatility as amazing. Now let's talk about the company's finances, and I think this is the thing that I'm talking about, where you do not want to be holding this ticker overnight. Why? Because when we go over here and we take a look at the company's finances, all the numbers which I'm about to showcase right now, guys, are based off of their most recent SEC filings, okay? I did not make these numbers up. I went through their earnings and I found them. So right now they have approximately the total cash and cash equivalents of $7 million. So in the bank, they have $7 million. Now, every single 3 months, every quarter, the company's burning $9.38 million, okay? Every 3 months, $9.38 million. Right now, the company has 2.2 months of cash left on hand. 2.2 months. 2.2 months of keeping the lights on, of keeping things going. So what's going to happen? Either the company's going to announce dilution and dilute your shares, or they're going to go ahead and go bankrupt. Neither one of those is good. Neither one of those is good. So right over here, we're going to rank their finances. We're going to put their cash as bad, okay? It's not horrible, because they do have some cash. I've seen companies with negative cash, right? And let's talk about potential of dilution next, okay? Potential of an offering, public offering, direct offering, whatever, right? A new S1, whatever it may be. So when we go over here, one of the main things that I look at, guys, is going to be the history. Historically, the company's been very dilutive. Right now, they have a massive oversupply. Their offering abilities, more likely than not, this red that we saw over here, this was them flushing shares into the markets, okay? And I know that sounds crazy. I know that sounds like, oh my God, what are you saying? You're saying that the company diluted, yada, yada. Yes, I'm saying the company diluted, okay? Let's go over here. What am I looking for? This is what I'm looking for. Put it as bad, okay? I'm going to put it as bad. So likely they're going to dilute you. You do not want to be holding this ticker overnight. You do not want to be holding it overnight. Now, I'll be honest with you, the lowest it will go is probably going to be this 38 cent levels. But personally, I wouldn't want to be stuck in this ticker at all. Okay, so I'm not holding this ticker overnight at all. Now, we did take a trade on it in our own community, right? We bought it at as a breakout. Okay, so we bought it at 51 cents and we played it all the way upwards of 69 cents. Okay, and where did it stop? Right? 68.6. Okay, so we literally were like, hey, it can do 69. It can go all the way up to 69, right? It went up to 68.6. So congratulations to everyone that played it to 60 plus. Amazing trade, right? And guys, we've been absolutely kicking ass. We've been absolutely kicking ass, right? In the month of May, we had 3 red days. In the month of April, we had no red days at all. In the month of March, we only had 1 red day. In the month of February, we had 5 red days. January, we had 2 red days. December, we had 4 red days. We've been kicking ass. 81% win rate after over 450 trades. Okay, 450 trades total. We've had an over 81% win rate. If you guys want to trade with us every single day, guys, our community is the only community that comes with a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. And you can cancel anytime within the first 30 days and you're eligible for a full refund. And again, right, we have over 400 members coming back month after month. Why? Because people are making money, right? Literally, this is today. Ali says more than 10% profit. Just the beginning for me. I'm just joined here this week and I'm happy. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Took a little break, but back at it. Good day with BBAI. 45K for my man Conant. 1.4K over here. So YouTube video, thank you, brother. We've been kicking ass day in, day out, okay? Check it out, guys. The link is in the comment section and description. Learn the auto trade with amazing stuff, man. Amazing stuff. We trade everything. We day trade stocks, we swing trade stocks, we do options trading, you name it, we got it, okay? There's that. And that's all. Personally, I'm staying away. You guys can do whatever you want, right? And I wish you guys the best of luck. And remember, never quit, never give up, because 90% of traders quit before they become profitable. That's the reality, right? It's not the fact that 90% of traders are unprofitable. No. 90% of traders quit before they become profitable. Myself, I've been trading for over 8 years now. The first 3 years, all I did was lose money. All I did was lose money. I swear to you, all I did was lose money the first 3 years. I'll wake up, press keys, lose money. Wake up, press keys, lose money. Over and over again. Only the last 5 years I've been able to actually, make money trading. That's the reality, okay? Thank you for watching. Happiness in trading. I believe in you, so believe in yourself. Your boy Sam from Clrb Academy.